Hi there, Melody from WTI.
You can become your own dog's groomer with this amazing vacuum grooming kit. Whether you're brushing or clipping, this amazing all-in-one grooming kit from the LubadiPaw store is exactly what you need. It comes with all these pieces and it's got an amazing vacuum with a beautiful leather handle on it. I also love the fact that you can wrap the cord here at the bottom and everything stays nice and tidy in this little black bag that's included. We love our fur babies and we know they don't like loud noises. So even though this vacuum has powerful suction, it is quiet. It's not going to scare them. So whether we're cleaning them or brushing them, they're relaxed. And I love how this just sucks right in there as you are brushing or cleaning them. It's super easy. You just got to press that little button and everything goes into the canister. This canister is 2 liters, so you can collect a lot of hair before you have to clean it out. So why not become your dog's groomer? He'll love you for it, and you will too.
And that's my point of view.